Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!